in hand at the altar, in tears of celebration. We'd never seen them smile like this before. She'd spend her life a-praying, on bended knees a-stayin, and this morning he surrendered to the Lord. Message in her story, only God can get the glory. When a child of his keeps knocking at the door,
it pays to pray, it pays to call upon his name, it pays to pray, to see a miracle display. You'll forget the word impossible when you seek the Savior's face. You know he will make a way. It pays to pray. You're tempted to quit praying. You feel he's never listening. The time has come and you must make a choice. Do you stop believing, forget what you've been seeking? Or do you resolve that Jesus hears your voice? He will hush the angel praises just to hear what you are saying. And at any moment now you will rejoice. It pays to pray, it pays to call upon his name, it pays to pray, to see a miracle display. You'll forget the word impossible when you seek the Savior's face. You know he will make a way. It pays to pray. You forget the word impossible when you seek the Savior's face. You know he will make a way. It pays to pray. Prayer is just as big as God. God, strong prayer can reach as far as God. It pays to pray, it pays to call upon his name, it pays to pray, to see a miracle display. You'll forget the word impossible when you seek the Savior's face. You know he will make a way. It pays to pray. It pays to pray. You know he will make a way. It pays to pray. Just pray. It pays to pray.